Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now this is the next problem in the previous year question series of JEE Main and JEE Advanced that I am going to take up today. It's a question based on the topic of trigonometry. It says, let alpha comma beta be real numbers such that beta is greater than minus pi by 4 but less than 0 and alpha greater than 0 but less than pi by 4. Where sine of alpha plus beta is equal to 1 upon 3 and cos of alpha minus beta is equal to 2 upon 3. Then we have to get the value of the greatest integer less than or equal to this given quantity. Now this value seems to be a big value, but if you just focus upon the term inside the square sign, let me call this value as x, then this is sine alpha upon cos beta plus cos beta upon sine alpha plus cos alpha upon sine beta plus sine beta upon cos alpha. Right? Now to simplify this, what I do, I rearrange the terms. I am grouping these two terms and these two terms. Right? So what do I get? I will be getting sine alpha upon cos beta plus cos alpha upon sine beta. This is one group, and another is cos beta upon sine alpha plus sine beta upon cos. Now what is the advantage of doing this? We'll be able to apply the trigonometric identities easily. Now when I take the denominator's LCM, I get sine beta into cos beta. And in the numerator, I will be getting sine alpha sine beta plus cos alpha cos beta, which is nothing but a direct trigonometric identity, and it is just cos of alpha minus beta. And similarly, for these two terms, I will be getting sine alpha cos alpha in the denominator, and in the numerator, I will be getting cos alpha cos beta plus sine alpha sine beta. Right? So when we simplify it, we can take out cos alpha minus beta common, right? And here, if I multiply and divide by 2, I will be getting 2 upon 2 sine beta cos beta, which is nothing but sine 2 beta. And the second term I can write as 2 upon sine 2 alpha. Just multiply up and down by 2, right? So that means now this can be written as 2 into cos of alpha minus beta, which is nothing but 2 into 2 by 3. And in the bracket, I will be getting just 1 upon sine 2 beta plus 1 upon sine 2 alpha. Now students, again take LCM and simplify this expression. In the denominator, I will be getting sine 2 alpha into sine 2 beta, and in the numerator, I will be getting sine 2 alpha plus sine 2 beta. Now, in the numerator, I can apply the CD formula of trigonometry, that is sine C plus sine D. And in the denominator, if I multiply up and down by 2, I will be getting 2 sin A sin B formula. And 2 sin A sin B is what? It is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Right? Now the question is almost solved. Now x can be written as 8 by 3 into 2 times sine alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta. And in the denominator, I was having 2 sine 2 alpha into sine 2 beta, which can be written as cos 2 times alpha minus beta minus cos 2 times alpha plus beta. Right? Now just put in the values. You'll be getting 8 by 3 into 2 into 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 and inside the bracket I can write 1 upon. Now students, to get the value of this denominator, I will be using identities for cos 2 theta. Now cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. It depends upon the given data, which identity to use. Right? Now since I'm given the value of cos alpha minus beta, so to get the value of cos 2 times alpha minus beta, I will be writing it as 2 cos square alpha minus beta minus 1. That means in this particular identity, I will be putting theta as alpha minus beta. And cos 2 times alpha minus beta will become 2 cos square alpha minus beta minus 1. And similarly, to get the value of cos 2 times alpha plus beta, I will be writing it as 1 minus 2 sin square alpha plus beta, because I have been given the value of sin alpha plus beta. Fine. So this was the major step. Now this is minus 1 plus 2 sin square alpha plus beta. Now just simplify the expression. You'll be getting 32 upon 27 into 1 upon. Now here, if I put the values, I'll be getting 2 times 4 by 9 minus 2 plus 2 into 1 upon 9. Fine. So just solve it further. This is 32 upon 27 into 1 upon. This is 10 by 9 minus 2. Or this becomes 32 upon 27 into. Now in the denominator I am having 10 minus 18 upon 9 or minus 8 by 9. So this becomes minus 9 by 8. And finally I get the value as minus 4 upon 3. Now this was x. So what should be x square? It should be 16 upon 9. And what should be the GIF value of x square? Obviously it is going to be 1. Why? Because 16 upon 9 lies between 1 and 2. So the greatest integer that is less than or equal to this value is 1. Now students, keep watching my videos and please share it among your friends as well. And if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, I will strongly suggest you people to subscribe it as well as press the bell icon to get the notifications for my upcoming videos. Thanks.